How to make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to open the project that you want to work on and then go to this text option and click this plus sign and add text. And now I'm just going to add 3D text over here. For the demo, I'm just typing it in 3D text and then adjust its size. And once done, you have to go to the tracking section while the text is selected and click motion tracking over here. Now choose the direction that you like and click start. And now you can see it's adding the tracking over here and you have to wait for it to be done. Once the process is done, I'm going to show you. So here you can see the tracking is complete, and now I'm just going to select the text, go back to my text option over here, and then you have this effects option, click it. And in the effects section, once the resources are loaded, you have to just choose the text that you like over here. You have many 3D effects over here, just choose the one that you like. I'm going to go with this one. And now if you play this, you can see I have added this 3D text over here. And that's how you add 3D text on Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.